Hello, friends! I'm Baby Bunny.
Sun is peeking through the pane. A brand new day, no time for rain. Tuck the corners, pull the sheet to make Mama's job so sweet. Setting out the spoons and cups while the golden toast is up. Helping Mama side by side with a smile so open wide. Oh, I'm helping Mama today in my own special happy way. Little hands can do so much, adding such a gentle touch. Blocks are scattered, trucks are wide. Time for them to find their hide. Gather toys and clear the floor, helping Mama even more. Wipe the table